This is Nick at Joseph Motors. We're going to add another vehicle to our YouTube stream. This is a 2015 F-350 dually, four-wheel drive, gas, utility body. Johnny and I are going to go around some of this really nice truck that we've got here. It's got 50,000 miles on it. It is in really nice shape, like most of the units that we have. This truck's going to have a Knapheide body on the back of it. This is a flex fuel unit. Runs fine on regular gas. We did a custom coating on the back here. Does have a tow package. It's got new Firestone 10-ply Transforce AT2s on it. Fully serviced down at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. Where they replace all spin-on filters, check all the fluids, top off everything. You got any further questions on this unit? We'd love to hear from you. I'm Nick. Johnny's on the other side of the camera here. Please give us a call at 919-661-2886. Or you can view us on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.